Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I'm super excited to be collaborating with Mix Chicks in this video, and I will be reintroducing their In the Mix foundation and bronzer sticks. Now, about 2 years ago, I shared with you guys the full collection from Mix Chicks, so here they are again. And yes, for those of you that are wondering, how have I been getting my curls, popping? Why are my curls thriving? And this not being a hair tutorial? Because you know what? Mix Chicks is reintroducing their foundation and bronzer sticks. So I wanted to reintroduce them to you all as well. Comment below if you want an updated curls popping video. Make sure you use those words. So therefore I know that that's something you guys want to see. But without further ado, I'm going to share with you how I created this amazing bronzy foundation look using all 5 of these foundation sticks at one time. I'll be reintroducing the colors to you and the quick technique that I use to get this snatch glowy anytime anywhere makeup look. So without further ado, if this is the look you came in to see, just keep on watching.